YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are actually going to show you guys how to locate your power panel at your pool equipment and how to turn off all the breakers to make sure that you have no power supply going to any of your equipment before you guys got to do any repairs. Stay tuned. Alright, and we're back. So again, today we're going to actually show you guys how to locate out of all the equipment that you have over here at the pool equipment, which one is your power supply and how to actually make sure that you turn off all your breakers and all power to all the equipment in order to do any repairs. So typically you want to make sure that you're cutting all power before you're going to deal with any type of electricity and water. So it's very important that you locate this panel, turn everything off, and in some rare occasions, depending on what you're doing, go ahead, walk over to the power panel at your actual house and turn off the supply to the panel located at your equipment. So then that way you're not taking any chance of any equipment getting any power during any process. So what you're typically looking for is one of these beige style breaker boxes right here at your equipment. So in this case, this one's a little bit old, so we'll go ahead and open it up for you guys and kind of show you what it looks like inside. So this one inside actually has a few switches down here to operate some of the equipment. We have a blower here with a spa. We actually have a light in the spa, and then we also have a pool light. So all three of those switches give power to a particular piece of equipment at your pool. So to make sure that you're not running a risk of having any type of voltage when dealing with any of this equipment, you're going to want to make sure that you turn off all the breakers that supply all the power. So in this case, we've got three different breakers. Most of them are labeled to supply both your pump, to supply the blower, to supply the heater. So you're gonna wanna make sure that just in case, just turn them all off. So in this case, it's really simple. Just like the breakers are at your house, you're just gonna go ahead and flip everything off. This one also does have two of the old style timer switches here. So to make sure that none of that's actually going to kick back on for any purpose, we're gonna go ahead and turn those off as well. And there you did it. So if you got a voltage meter, you can actually take it out. When you remove this portion of the panel, you can pull this out. You can test wires to make sure that you're not getting any power here. If for whatever reason you are getting any power here, again, like I said, make sure you go to the actual power panel at your house and cut the power to this panel at your pool equipment. So today we showed you guys how to locate this and actually turn off all the power. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button below. Check out all our other videos on all basic tips and tricks for your pool. Kyle with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.